meteorologist Shaylee Fletcher will be joining us from Ben Franklin to help us figure out this wild weather. And yes, it will be a wild day of weather across our region on our Thursday. Be sure to join us there. Here is a look at what we have going on this evening. And all day long, that fog and the mist and haze has been a problem throughout the Red River Valley. Even in the FM area from time to time, a fog advisory does continue for many of our western counties in eastern North Dakota. And we still have some fog out to the east as well. As we look at the satellite and radar. Some clearing down here in our far southern counties, Richland and out towards Lakes Country out there, but the rest of us socked in gray, rain and even some snow showing up in the oil patch as we take a look out there. Minot earlier in the day, well, sky cams out there showed flakes on the ground and accumulating on the grassy areas, and that snow potential does continue now as we head into the evening hours. And now let's take a look at what we have going on with respect to our conditions right here in the valley. Low clouds, mist and fog, and some drizzle at times. 51 degrees, though, well, warm enough that we don't have to worry about snow this evening in the FM area. The wind calm, 52, your temperature in Moorhead. And as we go to the south and east, there's those yellow warm temperatures. Look at Fergus Falls, 61 there, 54 in Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and 39 right now in Langdon. So the cool air is on the corner, and it's coming around the bend as we head through the overnight hours. 45 Valley City, and out to the east, Detroit Lakes, 55, 54 in Bemidji. Hour-by-hour forecast for this evening shows spotty sprinkles and drizzle. Continuing, the fog will be a problem. Wind remains fairly light and variable into the evening as we head to bed tonight at 10. More of the same. Temperatures slowly falling into the 50s and 40s for most in the south, and we will still see those upper 30s in the Devil's Lake Basin, and that's where we could have a chance for some evening flurries of snow as we head through the early portion of the overnight. I've paused this at 2 in the morning, so along and north of Highway 2, a chance for some flakes there, but the main event will come as we head towards daybreak. Watch this. Coming in from the south, bands of showers with rumbles of thunder likely as we get going on our Thursday morning. Many of us will have snowflakes falling. The best chance of that right here in the James River Valley, in the Cheyenne River Valley. I think we'll see some snow. That line from Ellendale right through Valley City and in toward Grand Forks, and points west of that could see flakes. To the east of that, look at this. Moderate to heavy rain showers and a few rumbles of thunder are certainly possible as this moisture band swoops its way through in the morning hours, and then it continues to, in waves, pass through. As the winds from the north through midday will gust at around 15 to 20 miles per hour, we're going to import some cooler air so that by a Thursday, late day, more of this will mix with and start changing over to snow on the drive home in Fargo, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, all the way up through Bemidji, Park Rapids, and the eastern reaches of Polk County through Pennington County as well. The chance for some evening flakes of snow to mix in. Then the north winds continue to import that cold air. The snow potential moves off to the east, mainly through the northern half of Minnesota, along and north of Highway 10 there at Interstate 94. Accumulations? Yes, there will be some. The best chance of that, James and Cheyenne River valleys through Grand Forks, were an inch on grassy areas to maybe an isolated location with the brief heavy showers. Could see 3 inches on the grassy areas. Rainfall potential to 3/4 of an inch of rain in spots. 38 to start your morning in Fargo. It will be very rainy and soggy. The umbrella will come in handy. More rain. Midday temperatures in those low to mid 40s will be dropping as we head into the evening hours with mixed precipitation in Fargo. Will we have accumulations in Fargo? I really do not think so. We'll probably have maybe under 1/2 of an inch on grassy areas. Afternoon temperatures in your hometown will be coldest up near Langdon and Rock Lake, Devil's Lake also in those mid to upper 30s for your afternoon, and cooling off even in our southern and eastern counties into the low 40s and upper 30s for your late day, with rain mixing with and changing to snow. Friday for the Deer Gun opener, there'll be a chance for some spotty flakes of snow throughout northern Minnesota. It looks like temperatures peak though in Fargo at 46, improving for Saturday in Minnesota. Deer Gun opener there. Looks like we'll see temperatures in those 50s for Sunday for a pleasant close to the weekend. Next week, rain and possible snow returns by midweek. So, you know, it's that time of year. We need to keep our eyes on the skies.
And when the snow falls, it might not stick around because the ground's still pretty warm.
The ground is warm. I'm not worried a lot about freezing rain or anything like that. It's really the snow, and it probably won't even accumulate on the road surfaces too quickly. So
it's here, though.
Today's Speakeasy Spotlight couple is Jim and Helen McFadden, celebrating, listen to this, 73 years of wedded bliss, Cavalier, North Dakota. Even snow couldn't melt that spirit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you two.